Hello everyone, today I will show you how to make a chart or graph in Google Docs. Open your Docs file. Now select Insert option and here you will find this chart option. Four kinds of chart here. I will make column chart in chart. Now click on this chart and click on this three dot option and select Open Source. And see this chart already open and chart item showing here. Now I will edit this chart item and see this. First I will edit team. Here I will edit here. Thousand twelve. And I will edit here. 13 and 14. And now I will change period. I'll make it fish price. I'll type here 100 this year 120 150 and up to the 180 and I will make here rice I'll make it 150 160 100. So good. Now I'll add new period. Type here meat price 200 300 350 and 400. Also you can add here new year or group item as you like. They are showing only two column and here third column not add here. Double click this chart and here you will find this setup option. Select here. Now select add series option. Here you will find this third series and add and see this series already added. Now go Google Docs option and select here update and see this. Our new chart already added here and see this. Now select customization option. Here you can change chart style, a chart background color you can change and see this. I'll choose done. Also you can change font size and chart title you can change here. You can change point scroll and series option. Here you can change line option dash and solid. Also you can show an error bar, data label series and legend. You can change this legend option. You can make it bottom and see this legend already bottom. You can make it top and horizontal axis you can change and vertical axis. Chart style already showing here and setup option. And you can delete new series or add. Yeah, this is. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share and comments.